Rahim. This is a June 1331 variant question number 7. Topic is a complex number. So first part I'm going to do is A part. He said that this is a question 3W plus 2 iota W star. Conjugate 17 plus 8 iota. And what a question W, he said that this is donated conjugate and we need A plus. So what I will do here, I will take W is equals to A plus iota B or B iota, same thing. He writes B iota, no problem. I write and okay. So then what is W star? Common sense A minus B, because with the side of iota, what a sign change is called conjugate. I'm replacing these values. So this value will come here and this value will come here simply as that, like this, okay? And then this 2 iota, A minus B iota equal to 17 plus 8 iota. Okay, let me recheck once again. Yes, correct. Okay, now students, what I will do, multiply inside. So 2A plus 2B iota. This multiply inside is 2A iota. And when this multiply here, negative 2B iota into iota square, which is minus 1, which is actually I have a iota square here, okay? Iota square, which minus 1, and that minus 1 become plus. So I'm writing directly. I believe you got the idea. 17 plus 8 iota. Now, real part is what? I'm writing here real part and I'm writing here imaginary part. Imaginary part. Imaginary part. Okay, you can write shortcut IMG also, no problem at all. Real part is 2A and 2B and equal to 17. So 2A plus 2B. Yes, please, 1 minute. 2A. Wait a minute. Okay, these are 3. Thank you very much. These are 3. So, okay, that is correct. These are 3. Thank you very much. It is mistake I done here, but anyway, now it means this is also 3. So 3A and 3B. So I got a 3A and 2B equal to 17. Okay, thank you. Now, what is a further iota? 2 iota values and 1 a complex number. So here 2A and here 3B. So 2A plus 3B is equals to 8. Equation 1 and 2. And I have to solve them simultaneously. Okay, let's try to cancel A. So this is a 3, here 2. This equation multiply into 2. So into 2. Let's see. Into 2, I got 6A. Into 2, I got 4B. Into 2, I got 34. This equation multiply by into 3. Into 3, I got 6. Into 3, I got negative, sorry, I got a 9B. Into 3, I got a 24. So now sign changes. Why sign changes? Because we can't cancel in this situation. Sign changes. This cancel out. Here got negative 5B. And here I got a negative 10 only. So B becomes negative 2. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now this B value can plug in any one equation. So I plug in this one. So 3A plus 2B and equal to 17 equals to 17. And 3A minus 4 equal to 17. It goes there, become 21. And this 4, this divide, I got a 7. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And both value I will plug in back there. So W is equals to, this value goes there. So 7 and negative 2 iota. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So what he was asking us. So first part he was asking, give answer in A, this format. I have done it. Now this question is very important, B part. So let me write first B part. B part is what we have to write. Argument Z minus 2 iota equals to pi by 6. And second, I have Z minus 3 modulus and Z minus 3 iota modulus. So this, what is the situation we have, students? So we have to do what? So first of all, let me explain. He said that these two loci intersect at P. It means I will draw both diagrams. I will sketch both diagrams after they intersect at P. After that, he's asking express the complex number representing B in this format. This is called polar form or exponential form even, no problem. And giving the exact theta format and R is 3SF. So let's try to solve it. So this is what he is asking for is this. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is a question B part. What I will do, students, whenever we have this kind of situation comes, we need to rearrange. How rearrange? Here Z negative, and here I'm writing 0 plus 2 iota. This is a very important, not a compulsory, but it's good to write. In this way, you can understand. Actually, this complex number we have write in a real part 0, complex part 2. Okay, I just make a rough idea, you can understand a rough idea. And please, I suggest you whenever you do this kind of question, so first make rough diagram. This is a starting point of the ray. Argument stands for the ray, starting point, and this negative sign is a fix. This must be there, okay? And this is an angle with x-axis. So let's start. So 2y, actually here x0 y0, here x0 y1, here x0 y2. So this 2 is asking about, and here I make a dummy line parallel to x-axis, and this angle is, I will make it here. And interesting part, so this is 45 degree in the middle, and slightly less is 30 degrees, slightly more is 60 degree, because pi by 6 is dealing as a 30 degree. So this kind of line I will make it. So look, student, I'm going to make this line. And don't make it like that. Okay, this is a too big angle. So this is approximately, this is a rough idea, that is why. Okay, this is a done, and this is a pi by 2, because pi by 2 is called 90 degrees. So this kind of line I will make it. Anyway, just a rough idea, you got it. So let's talk about this question, okay? And how to do this kind of thing. Hold on. So first of all, again, same story. I will write negative and a bracket, negative sign and a bracket. Okay, what about this 3? All right, 3 plus 0 iota. What about this number? Negative I wrote already outside, so 3, no, sorry, 0 plus 3 iota. Okay, this is a, whenever modulus comes on both sides, this modulus come on both sides, this is called perpendicular bisector. And this representing one point and this representing second point. Okay, I'm going to show a rough idea first, then you can continue. So this is a rough idea. And I suggest again, please make a rough idea always. Otherwise, is sometimes hard for you to solve. 3 plus 0. Okay, here x0, y0, here x1, y0, here x2, y0, here x3, y0. So this is 3. Okay, this point representing. What about this? X0, y3. So it means x0, y0, x0, y1, x0, y2, x0, y3. So this point, 3. I believe these points both are clear. And when these angles are equal, these points are equal to each other, and put a needle of compass here, this kind of arc, and put needle of compass here and this kind of arc. When I join this arcs like this, students, and then I will make a line joining this and this point. You'll see this line will pass through origin. Okay, how I know? Because make sure, look at this point x0 y, sorry, one minute please. This is a point. Maybe this gap is more, but anyway, this x, they are equal to each other, and this line is called y equal to x, and here x is 2, y2, here x is 1, y1, here x0, y0, here x minus 1, y minus 1. So all points are equal to each other. That is why it's called perpendicular sector logic, because these 3 and 3. Even it come 2, 2, here 2, here 2, we have a same line. Even we have a here 5 and here 5, we have a same line. I hope so you got a point what I'm saying. Anyway, now these two lines I'm going to combine and get ready. And wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Sorry for that. By mistake, I rotated. Okay, I have to insert the page. Anyway, come back. So now I'm going to I'm going to sketch this part, and I'm going to this part, both together. So let's see how we can do it, students. So first of all, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm going to do, so this. So 1, 2, 3. And as a teacher, I suggest you can take your scale. Look, the student, I'll show you. Look, this is the way what I'm going to explain you. So look, first of all, I erase these points. As a teacher, I'm suggesting you, when you label these points, you see that my scale is helping me. So this kind of thing, if I do it, So this diagram become more accurate. Okay, and not accuracy is important here. The solution is possible easily then. Look, I am labeling these points and I believe you understanding what is going on. Okay, this is done. Okay, now I'm going to make it. Okay, and first of all, this is 3, this is 3. Okay, and I will take a once again scale, and this is a perpendicular bisector. Okay, just roughly I make a plan. This is a 1, 1 is equal somewhere here. If I join it, it means if you don't use compass even for this kind of thing, so you will not lose mark. Make sure. Okay. All right. So slightly ahead. Okay. Now remove the scale and wait a minute, please. This I think I should drag slightly down. So some logic behind it. You'll come to know later on why I drew slightly down. Okay. So let's make it now further. This is done. So this okay for examiner, although if you okay, this is okay done. Now let's talk about second thing. This is done, this is done. Now I'm going to make this one. So starting from 2, angle is 30 degree. So starting from 2, 2 is here, and I take a scale and I make a rough. This is not compulsory to make it, but anyway, this is just for sake of understanding. And this is, see student, this is a 45 degree. Okay, you can see the scale, and 30 is approximately is here. Okay, okay, here. And maybe my diagram is disturbed, maybe not accurate. Anyway, now, okay, not that much accuracy required. Even I make it like this even, no problem at all, but just showing him, okay? If you don't show the full accuracy, no issue at all. And this green line is going here, all right? And I remove a scale, but I will write for examiner, this is pi by 6 is, okay, this is pi by 2. And now students, if I add pi by 6, and pi by 2, if I add them, so what is coming? 1 over 6 plus 1 over 2. It is giving 2 by 3. So 2 pi by 3. It means total angle from here till here is very clear, 2 pi by 3. Okay, this point, as he said, point P. Okay, all right. And this is angle, as I said before, this is a perpendicular. So this is pi by 4 here, and this is also pi by 4 here. So I think understanding. All right. And what is my ultimate target? I will go back to my question, but look at here. If I focus this triangle, I believe, inshallah, you will understand what I'm saying. This triangle, I made it. This gap is 2, so this gap is 2. This angle is 2 pi by 3, so I'm making here 2 pi by 3. This angle is pi by 4, so I'm making here pi by 4. And this angle I can find, how I can find this angle, students? So from pi, I mean 180 degrees, subtract these two. Look, I'm showing on the top, pi minus 2 pi by 3 and minus pi by 4. If I type in calculator, I think, let me find it, what answer, sorry, this plus in the middle. Okay. So I'm typing 2 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 4, and answer is coming 1 by 12. So pi by 12, and this angle is coming here. And I believe you're understanding. Okay, what is my ultimate target? O to P. So this is my ultimate target. How come? Because read a statement, please go back to question. He said that convert into this format, R, E, I, theta. R is called modulus. It is a very clear modulus, okay? And theta is called argument of that, that line that he's talking about a P point. And argument is so simple, students. So this is an argument. What is the angle? Because what definition? Shortest angle with x-axis of point P. So this is angle shortest. So this is clear. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Argument I got it. Theta I got pi by 4. So no need to find it. This is confirmed from here. Now only to get a length of OP. If I get length of OP, will behave like a R here. There's my target. So this erasing, I'm writing R here. This X R. So how to find this? Using sine rule. And you know, this up and this down, I mean R over sine 2 pi by 3. equals to this 2 over sine of this. So all of it familiar, I am applying sine rule. Okay, this is multiplying whole there, like whole thing multiply with that. And please convert your calculator in radian mode. So I'm typing in my calculator 2 times 2 sine 2 pi over 3 and divided by sine pi over 12. And my value is getting here, r is coming root 6 plus 3 root 2, but he said 3sf. Let me check. 3sf of what he said. He said 3sf, correct. R value is 3sf. So then we have to type it. R is equal to 6.6921. I need, and don't want. So R is 6.69. So this what he was asking, R e to power I theta. So answer is coming 6.69 e to power I pi by 4. And this is my required answer. I hope so. The concept is so clear.